In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Pandadoc contacts. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Pandadoc account and you are on the main dashboard. The contact list is managed from the left side of the screen, so you will begin by looking at the left sidebar, find and click on Contacts. This will open your Contacts area, where you can view people and companies you have already saved. Once you are in Contacts, look for the Import option. Click Import to bring contacts into Pandadoc from another source. Importing is helpful because it saves time and reduces mistakes that can happen when you enter a lot of details by hand. After you click Import, you will be asked to choose where you want to import contacts from. Select Google Contacts. When you choose Google Contacts, Pandadoc will guide you through connecting to your Google account so it can access your saved contacts. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm any permissions that appear so the import can complete smoothly. If you prefer not to import from Google, or if you only need to add 1 or 2 people, you can also add a contact manually instead. This is useful for new leads or anyone who is not already stored in your Google Contacts. To add a contact manually, enter the basic information first. Type the first name and last name, then add the phone number, and then the email address. Take your time with spelling, because accurate contact details help when you are sending documents for review or signature. A small typo can cause delivery problems later. After the required details are entered, you can also fill in optional fields if you have them. Add an address when you need it for proposals, invoices, or formal agreements. You can also include the company name or job title, which helps keep your contact list organized and makes it easier to search for the right person in the future. When you finish importing from Google Contacts or completing the manual contact entry, your contacts will now be available inside Pandadoc and ready to use when you create and send documents. And that is all there is to it.